Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav Madan. I'm a YES teacher, that is Youth Empowerment and Skills Workshop for teenagers, that is 13 to 18 years of age. We all have seen that this age, teenage, is a time which is the most confusing in the life of any person. It is said that in 7 years of age, we mature physically. From 7 to 14 years, our intellect matures, and from 14 to 18 years, that is the teenage, our emotions mature. But during this maturity period, there are so many mood swings that happen in the life of teenager. And somewhere deep down the line, it is the strength they have that makes them cope up with these emotions. So till now, we have always stressed in our education to give them more knowledge. We make them attend hobby classes, we make them attend tuition classes. In this all process, we are giving them information and information. But have we ever wondered that how their mind is taking that information? Have we ever wondered that whether their mind's capability can be increased to accept this information? This is the question we all need to ask ourselves. We have always been working on the outer periphery of a child. We have always been giving them sessions like personality development, which just work on the periphery. But we have not gone to the core of their heart. And it is when their inner strength develops that they are able to cope up with anything in life. Take on any challenge and they would be able to accept it. The most teenagers in today's time, if we see statistics, are stressed because of examinations. In a research that was conducted, it was found that 70% of stress that comes in the life of a teenager is because of examinations. 2006 witnessed 16 as the number of suicide cases that happened till March, from February to March. A child which does not perform to the best in examinations is prone to depression, is prone to stress from family, from parents, from friends, and that is what ultimately also leads to drug addiction, alcohol, smoking, resorted to wrong habits. We have never catered to all this. We have never given them the skills how to manage time, how to take effective decisions. And this can only come when they are spiritually empowered. Our YES program works at this level. It builds a strong foundation in them so that they can develop into a good building blocks of life. That's it. Thank you.